Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add bot to the Discord server. The first thing you need to do is find the bot. And you can do this by browsing the bot directories. Websites like top.gg, discord.bot.gg, and Discord bot lists.com hosts a wide range of Discord bots. You can search for specific functionalities like music, moderation, or games, or browse categories to find what you need. Once you found the bot, click Invite on the bot's page. You usually find an invite button. Click it. Next, you'll be redirected to Discord. Select the server you want to add the bot to and click Continue. Carefully review the permissions of bot requests. Only grant the necessary permissions, click on Authorize. You see a confirmation message select the Discord server that the bot has been added. Most bots have specific commands or instructions, so look for a help command or visit the bot's website for more information. That's it. Now let me give you some important things to note. 1. Be mindful of the permissions you grant. Excessive permissions can pose security risk. 2. Not all bots are created equal, so research your bot's reputation and check for recent updates before adding it to your server. You need to remove a bot, go to the server settings, click Members, find the bot, and click Remove. By following these steps, you can easily add helpful and entertaining bots to your Discord server, enhancing the experience for you and your community. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.